We've made a lot of progress so far on this playground project. What I've done this morning is I have finished up with getting all of the rebar put in. There were a few boards that were not quite secure because I thought I was going to put a stake through them, but didn't wind up needing one in that particular spot, you know, wherever that was. So I've gone through and put some screws in to secure everything up. And then the last things that I'm working on before I'm ready to start assembling the playset. This corner right here needs to be cut off. I mean, it doesn't need to be, but I don't like how they're all uneven right there. So I'm gonna cut that off and make all those even. I gotta span this gap right here with some of these landscape timbers. I'm gonna do that one just like I did over here. So it should give enough room for the trees to grow and still hold in all the chip mulch that I'm gonna get. On this side, I think that one's gonna be a little bit too wide to span with the timbers. So I'm probably gonna have to, you know, just come out this way and go back that way and kind of make a corner out of it. So we'll see about that. But that's what I'm getting ready to work on now. And so we'll get that done and then we'll get started building this playset. Looks good. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay this fabric out and then we'll get the timbers that we need to span this gap right here, and we should be good after that.
Get on it, please.
Yes, baby, you can get on. Did you have a good nap?
Yeah.
I had this all laid out, but I had to do some leveling over here, and I caught it with the tractor. Got this one like situated here, and I think I may go ahead and take it back off now that I got my screw holes where they need to be, and go ahead and cut the other 4, and that way I can just set those, you know, they'll all be exactly the same. I can set them in here, and once I get this bottom one set back in, it'll be super easy to stack them up. All right, guys. So I'm setting this table up right here. It's kind of my little cutting table here. So like I said, I'm just gonna set these up here. All right, so we got all these cut, so let's take them over here and get them put on. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and get this one put back up. We can just run these screws back in the holes we already have. It'll make it easy to line everything up. And then once I get this one in, then we'll just kind of drop each one of these on top and get them set in place. All right, there we are. So I think that worked out really well. It's gonna give this tree plenty of room to grow. If I ever need to cut these back in the back here, I can, and that'll give it even more space. So I think that's gonna work out really nicely. We're getting there. It's taking a little longer than I expected. I was hoping this was gonna be just a 2 or 3 day project, but we're on day 2 now. We haven't even started putting the play set together. So we looked at the instructions for that yesterday, and it says estimated assembly time is about 18 hours with 3 people. I'm by myself, so we'll see how it goes. Hopefully not terribly long, but hopefully it doesn't take me a week to put the thing together, but I guess we'll find out. All right, well, I'm gonna get set up over here and at this other corner, and we'll get started on that. All right, so I think I'm gonna try to get this one kind of right on this corner. This one I'm gonna leave out a little bit probably, just because I got all this dirt here and I don't want to have to go too high with it. And I don't want to have to take this up and clean that out. So I think I'm gonna leave this one right about where it is. This one may wind up being on that second one, or on that first one over there, because I really never checked to see if these were level. So let's do that real quick. Let's see if these are level. Oh yeah, that is way off. I can tell just by looking at it. So I'll grab the level and we'll get this one set where it needs to be, and then we'll figure that one out, see where that one's gonna need to sit. Like I said, it may wind up on that bottom one. So we'll see how this goes. There we go. That's pretty dang close. It doesn't have to be perfect. So let's see where level is on here. Yeah, we're gonna have to go probably to that bottom one, because on top of here, on top of this one is almost level with the second one. I might actually be able to just use this one instead of propping this up on a block. I might just be able to use this beam as my support for it. It's not going to be a perfect corner, but it'll be pretty close. So I think that's what we'll do. We'll do 3 here, 2 here. I'm going to get some corner brackets. I believe I have some already in the garage, so I'm going to grab some of those, see if I can get these 2 corners set where they need to be, and then get this one set where it needs to be, screw these together, and see where we are after that. So I think what I'm going to do is go ahead and get this corner bracket on here, get this set where it needs to be, and then we'll start working on that corner and then get this part set up. Sink those down so the next board will sit on top, nice and flush. All right, that's gonna work real nice there. Just check this one more time. Yeah, perfect. All right, so we got that one. All right, guys, so I got this piece put in. Sorry you didn't see all of that. I think one of my children went over there and hit the stop button on the phone. She likes to hit the red button, so I apologize for that. I've got enough wood to make this one other piece, and unfortunately I'm gonna be one dadgum piece short, so I'm gonna have to go to Home Depot and get one more piece to finish this out. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this one done, and then we'll run up there and grab that and try and get this finished up tonight. This is the last thing I got to do before we can. I'm gonna put some gravel over on the other side, like I said, and then we'll get this place set up. I'll probably go ahead and put the place set up before I dump the gravel in here, honestly, just to make sure I know exactly where everything's gonna be. So anyway, let's get this one measured, and hopefully the camera won't shut off again or do any weird zooming or anything like that. So we're gonna be right at about 55. About 54 7/8 actually. So we will go cut that piece real quick and we'll be right back. All right, I got this last one for this side cut. It fits beautifully. So we will get this screwed in, and then like I said, I'm gonna have to go get another one, but it's not that big a deal.
Daddy.
I see you. You singing your ABCs?
Yeah.
You're doing a good job.
Can I get in your video?
Yes, you can get in my video. You gotta come over here. There you go. Now they can see you. You want to wave to the camera and say hi?
Yeah.
Wave to it. Wave to them. Say hi. Hi, everybody.
I'm gonna get one more for you.
Okay.
Here you go, Dad.
Thank you, baby.
I'm gonna get one more for you.
You can get one more? Hear the airplane? Do you hear it? It's loud, isn't it? All right, can I have the one more?
Yeah.
Thank you.
There's two more in here too.
There's two more?
Yeah.
I don't think there's two more screws, are there?
Look at these baby screws.
Those are bits. See, it's like this one. All right, y'all, so we got that done. So I'm gonna go get the one more piece we need for this. Get a few more screws because that was my last one. And we'll get this finished up. We're almost there.
You hear that? You hear that?
Hey, I do hear it. Hey, listen, are you excited about getting your play set put up?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you so excited?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Are you going to do it now?
Not now. Remember, we're gonna go to the store. We're gonna get one more piece of wood, and then in 2 days.
Yep.
Today is Wednesday.
Uh-huh.
Tomorrow is Thursday. We're going to the lake,
Yep.
and then Friday, not to the beach, to the lake,
Yeah.
and then Friday we can start putting up your swing set. Does that sound fun?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Do you want to help Daddy put it up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
All right. Do you want to go with me to the store to get another piece of wood?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I do.
Okay. All right, baby. Well, let's go wipe your face off because you are dirty. Face, arms. Let's get you cleaned up a little bit and then we'll go to the store, okay? All right, y'all. We'll see you guys when we get back. All right. Well, that does it for the perimeter here. So let's take a look at everything now that it's all put together. All right, everybody. So we got the perimeter done. It's looking pretty good. So now the only other things we got to do are put the playset together, get our gravel in on this side to fill in a little bit, and get our wood chip. And this will be all done and ready to play. So here's what the perimeter looks like. So we've got everything all completed. Got that corner boxed out. That one over there finished up today. So this is everything here. So the whole area where the play set is gonna be is level. The only thing that's not really the same height is, right back here along that edge. This corner is pretty bad. And then, right over here, it's not quite the same height, but it's fine. It'll look good once I get all that wood chip in there. I think everything will look good and function well. So I'm really excited to see how it all comes together once we get everything done and once the girls get out here playing in it. All right, y'all, thanks for watching. That's it for this one. So next video will be getting the play set installed, assembled and leveled and everything in here. Like I said, the area where the play set's gonna go is gonna be kind of right in the middle, and that part should be pretty level. I'm gonna set it up on these blocks so it'll have space and not be sitting on the ground, and once I get the wood chip in there, it'll be level with the bottom of the play set ideally. So that'll be the next step, is getting that assembled. Once that's done, then I'll go ahead and put the rock in this side, get that where it needs to be, and we'll get the wood chip going. But next video will be playset assembly. So if y'all haven't watched the grading video, go back and check that out. Not a professional grader. It's not the greatest work in the world, but it's there. So if you want to check that out, please do. Definitely hit that like, hit the subscribe. It really helps the channel out if you want to see more content. Also, if you have any particular content you want to see, just let me know in the comments. I do all kinds of projects and stuff like that. If there's anything particular that you would like to see, let me know. If you have any questions or anything like that, hit the comments, and we'll see you guys on the next one.